This is everything that you get in this sourdough starter kit. So first off, you get this large glass container with the straight sides, which is really important for sourdough starter. And then on here, you've got measurements in both ounces and milliliters. So 5 ounces up to 45 ounces, 100 milliliters up to 1400 milliliters. The entire jar itself, it is 58 ounces. Comes with this cute bamboo lid, and the inscription on there says, "Hey there, I'm Yeasty, your bubbly little buddy," with some flowers. Kind of like a, I think it's an olive leaf, I'm not exactly sure. It's got kind of like a silicone ring here, and then the underside, so that fits on like that if you want a secure, snug fit. They also include this little cover for when you are growing your sourdough, so you want to put that on. Keeps the bugs out, keeps it a little bit warmer in there, and then also lets the gases come out, so you've got both of those. The other thing that comes with is this bamboo and silicone spatula. This is great for like scraping the sides, getting all of that out, because you don't want to put sourdough starter down your drain, so you want to scrape out as much as possible. And then this band, stretchy band, to show you what day and what time and all that. So that goes around the whole thing here. And you can line it up with this line right here. And it also comes with a thermometer, both Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can stick that on there. So I haven't stuck it on there yet myself. And finally, a booklet with instructions on how to take care of your sourdough, baking it, and all that stuff. So yeah, it's kind of cool.